Imagine a world where the fastest, most exotic GT cars battled it out on legendary circuits, unrestricted by strict factory politics. That was the BPR Global GT Series, a short-lived but game-changing championship that laid the groundwork for modern GT racing. But how did it rise so fast? And why did it disappear just as quickly? Let's find out. In 1994, three racing enthusiasts, Jürgen Barth, Patrick Peter, and Stefan Rattel, had a vision. Factory-backed prototype racing was struggling, but they saw potential in GT cars, the high-performance machines that wealthy privateers and manufacturers already had in their garages. So, they created the BPR Global GT Series, named after their initials. As a privateer-focused GT championship, the series quickly gained popularity, attracting legendary cars like the McLaren F1 GTR, Ferrari F40, and Porsche 911 GT2. Races were held on iconic tracks, LeMans, Suzuka, and Silverstone, just to name a few. Private teams, not big manufacturers, were the stars, making the competition incredibly diverse and unpredictable. By 1996, however, manufacturers started taking notice, with McLaren, Porsche, and Ferrari gradually increasing their involvement. With more money and resources pouring in, the balance began to shift. What started as a privateer paradise soon became a full-blown manufacturer battleground. The increased budgets, factory-backed teams, and rising costs made it impossible for smaller teams to compete. By the end of 1996, the FIA stepped in and rebranded the series as the FIA GT Championship, officially ending the BPR Global GT era. While GT racing thrived under the FIA, the spirit of independent privateer teams competing on an even playing field was lost. Though it lasted only a few years, the BPR Global GT Series revolutionized modern GT racing, proved that GT cars could be the future of endurance racing, paving the way for today's GTWorldChallenge and WEC GT categories. So next time you see a GT3 car roaring down the track, remember, it all started with three passionate men and a dream called BPR. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more motorsport history, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite GT car of all time? See you in the next video.